Hello everyone, welcome back to IndianCoding.com. Today we are going to study about normal data distribution. Let's see what is it. So in previous chapter we discussed about how to create the completely random array of a given size between the two given values. So in this chapter we will learn about how to create, just a second, how to create where the values are concentrated around the given values. So we are going to discuss this one of the very easy method. All you need to do, you just need to mention x is equal to numpy dot random dot normal. So it will help you to understand the normal data distribution. Okay. So these are the terms you need to mention and then you will be able to understand. Okay. So these are the method with the 10,000 value to draw the histogram with the 100 bars. So you can also work it with the help of histograms and all the things can be mentioned here too. Fine. So you can use the two values also between the number of sets you can provide it. Everything will be mentioned. This is same as the normal distribution, data distribution that we have studied in the last lecture. Okay. So all the amount of data that are available. We specify that the mean value is 0.5.0, so we will provide the standard deviation for it. Okay, I will write all the codes here. Let me just write it here and all the things. Let me reload this code. So on screen you can see that it will provide the normal data distribution by using this. Okay, in last lecture we studied, we were getting the normal bar. So these are the bar difference between the data distribution and normal data distribution. Okay, so that's all for today's class. Tomorrow we'll study about more features. Thank you so much.